Friends, the last one is a print dialog box, and for print dialog box, please kindly concentrate. Here is a printing is there. So tool number this print dialog, print document, and print preview control. Print dialog 1, print document, and print dialog print preview dialog 1 is there. So in print, double click. Some property settings are there. Print document equal to print document 1. Sorry, print dialog 1 dot document equal to print document 1. Print dialog 1 dot printer setting equal to print document 1 dot printer settings. Means if you are using multiple printers, that particular printer's settings is available. Print dialog 1 dot allow some pages. Allow some pages means if you want to print page number 3 to 8, 3-8, that will be a facility that we are activate by true. And then this is the fifth time I'm just saying that one. If print dialog 1 dot show dialog equal to dialog dot okay, dialog result dot okay, then print document 1 dot printer setting equal to print dialog 1 dot printer setting. This is the same line that I am repeating. And if print document 1 dot print is a command, it will take a printing. So I would like to run the application. And when I click on print, it's a very nice print dialog box is coming in front of me. In my computer, there is no printer installed, but you can create it as XPS. Pages is there, where I can take some of the pages, if all number of copies, how many number of copies you want, print to reference, find printers, and all the things. Printer is available or not. This print dialog box result will give me the things. So here in a page, if you have multiple page and you would like to give 3 to 6 only, so that page number 3, page number 6 will give. If you tick on all, then all page will be available, and by that apply is there, print is there, and look, page number 1 document. Presently there is no printer, so it creates the document.pdf. But if a printer is working with me, my form printout will take. I repeat, my form printout will take not the backside coding, but the form area that you know very well. Whenever I say form area, then dialog box all. This particular rectangle where in this text box, I like some of the food item that I prefer so much, that will take a printout of this form. So friends, this is print dialog, and this is the last print dialog. This is the last dialog control that we learned. Thank you so much to learn all dialog control with Dr. Abhijit Singh Jadeja. Thank you so much.